guys, it is Saturday in the morning, 9 o'clock, so I am up getting started on my food. I am about to get my meat out, get my beans done and my macaroni and cheese. That's the easiest thing. Once I get that done, then I can start on the hard part, which is the meat. And my pineapple bowls, guys. I got my pineapples. I'm going to show y'all the whole process. That's going to be, ooh, that's going to be good. That's going to be good. That's going to be after the meat, though. Yeah, that's going to be after me cleaning and prepping all the meat, shrimps. I need the shrimp for the pineapple bowls. I got chicken tenderloins for the pineapple bowls, and yeah, I'm going to be making a couple of burgers, baked beans, mac and cheese, pineapple bowls, and ribs. Minced garlic already in a jar. I don't feel like cutting that up today. Everything's set up, my seasonings. Alright guys, we're letting this cook for a while. Ooh, that smells good. Look at how nice it looks. Alright guys, I'm about to add my spoon of garlic, and then we are going to add our meat. Alright, and what I am using is ground beef from Sam's. Steak wings. I don't need a lot really. Alright. A little black pepper. Leave it at enough for the beans. At least try to. It's already spicy, so I'm just going to put a little shake of some red pepper plate, powder, apple chili powder, just a hint. So the meat and the onions and peppers are done. I am putting the beans in. These are all of our beans. And last but not least, y'all, I'm adding a little brown sugar. Do that not look good. Do that not look good. I'm pouring my baked beans. Everything clean. And there we go. Let's work. Alright guys, that looks so good. I'm gonna make me some cheese sauce, guys, and I'm gonna grate some cheese for my I'm gonna set the rest of this cheese up. I know a lot of people. Flour is melted, and I'm just adding the milk. Turn the top down a little. Good. Add my cheese. I'm gonna turn the eye down so it's gonna cook nice and slow. Milk. Do different kinds, but I'll try to get the ones at the bottom. Oh my God. So y'all, this cheese sauce is about ready. All the cheese, almost all of it has melted, and it is creamy, milky, and cheesy. Took my other macaroni just to fill it up, honey, with meat. Look at that. Yes. Yes, Auntie. Stir it all up with the cheese and things. Yes, look at that. Seasoned mac and cheese. Yes, look at that. Ooh, honey. Honey, you gotta level it off. I already know what's coming next. Already This is hand grated cheese. Hand grated, y'all. That is my cheese. I'm about to put it in the oven, and then I'm gonna start my ribs. Alright guys, I'm about to tackle these ribs. Alright guys, it is time to season these ribs. Let's get it started. So first thing I want to do is pour a little of my pineapple juice on top. We are going to marinate it in some pineapple juice. This pineapple juice is so good, y'all. And I'm keeping the other one for my lamb chops. I'm just going to put some black pepper on these. A little my pink Himalayan salt. Yes. So all these ribs, season it up really good. Some garlic powder. Chili powder. And I got some meat tenderizer, y'all. I got some meat tenderizer. And I'm gonna put enough of this on here. Yes. And a little steak seasoning. And then I'm gonna move this all around so all of it can get seasoned really good. Turn this over. Yes. Yes. A little more steak seasoning, then we are going to put this in the fridge, guys. All right, y'all. I am cutting up my lamb chops. I'm going to plant them. Yes. All right, y'all. So the ribs are done. I am just cutting them into single, so these babies can get them how many they want without worrying about cutting. And I'm going to put a little more sauce on it. Listen, tender, juicy, flavorful. Oh my goodness. Barbecue sauce is ready. My lamb chops are getting done. The ribs are in the smoker, and I'm about to put my pineapple bowls, y'all. I didn't show these because, honey, I was getting it done. I'm tired too, so I got some burrito bowl mixes, and I sauteed it, add a little rice to it, some more rice so I can have enough. I got 3 chickens, pineapple, and 3 shrimp. As y'all can see, the shrimp, and there's the chicken. I'm going to put these on the smoker. All right, guys, I'm about to put my pineapple bowls in the smoker. There they go, guys. They so pretty. Alright guys, everything is done now. So the ribs are done, lamb chops, burgers, polishes, shrimp pineapple bowls, chicken pineapple bowls, mac and cheese, and baked beans. I am about to make this man his dinner. And yeah, I don't know what I did with my what's the name? There it is, my tripod. But yeah, like that. All right, y'all. My baby want her a piece of this cake, so I am definitely about to cut her a piece. All right, y'all. It is Easter morning, and my babies are opening their stuff. I'm not showing y'all. Don't worry. Oh.